Greetings. Welcome to Biology, Environmental Science, Geography 330, Geographic Information Systems at Sable Institute. Let's talk about how can you succeed in this course? How can you succeed in this course? First, interact with your colleagues and with me, your instructor. GIS is a fast-paced, rapidly changing, exciting technology platform. Cultivate the habit of networking and learning from each other. That's going to serve you well in your future career pathway. Secondly, skim. This course contains much content, including links to articles and tutorials. You probably won't have time to read it all, so skim when possible rather than reading every word. If a map or data set is not working, number one, check your bandwidth. Number two, try a different browser. Number three, post your question or difficulty in the discussion area of our course. Number four, if it is still not working, skip it. It's much more important to me that you would keep moving forward and learning rather than getting stuck on something. And again, your colleagues, your peers, and I are available to help you when you get stuck. There are a lot of technical procedures when you're making maps and visualizations in 2D and 3D. I'd much rather have you skip something and move on rather than spend hours trying to get unstuck. If a data set doesn't work, if a map layer doesn't work, it's not functional for some reason, URLs change, etc., move on, okay? I'm much more interested in what you're learning in this course. I don't want you to spend a lot of time getting unstuck. Now, it's good to be inquisitive, it's good to try to be tenacious and solve problems, but if you're spending another half hour and you're not learning that much, to me, that's not a good half hour spent. See what I mean? I'm all about the learning, so keep that in mind. Adopt the attitude of the lifelong learner. Keep asking questions, investigate, and explore. If you have time after your assignments are turned in, go deeper. I want to encourage you. If something looks interesting, a data set, a map, a technique, keep digging, ask more questions, ask questions beyond what I ask you as your instructor. And I encourage you to do this with your other classes in your educational journey. Ask questions that your instructor is not asking. Go deeper. And when you're an employee in an organization, your employer is going to appreciate you doing the same thing. In other words, asking questions and investigating and doing things that your employer is not even asking you to problem solve or troubleshoot, but you're investigating them anyway because you're a very inquisitive, asking good questions kind of a person. Have fun and enjoy the ride. Thanks.